Hello friends, welcome to Weathercast. This is the monsoon and general weather updates for this week, October 11th to 17th. We have a very interesting week ahead. A lot of interesting dynamics are seen in the models. So I'm just going to try to simplify them and also give you the outcome, as in what is expected in this coming week. Of course, the monsoon is very much active over central India and west coast, and there is going to be some unseasonal rains. So I'm going to talk about that. So the low pressure that has formed over Bay of Bengal has now become a depression, and there is a very high likelihood that it will become a deep depression because there are supporting factors such as the monsoon intra-seasonal oscillation, which is the monsoon circulation is active. So vorticity deposition is highly likely. MGO pulse is also there, which is staggering between East Bay of Bengal and maritime continent, and the SST is also high, which is the sea surface temperature in Bay of Bengal is also very high. So under the influence of this deep depression that is going to form, then it will move along the northwest direction. So heavy to very heavy rains are likely in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Telangana, and whole of Maharashtra, which includes both interior and coastal Maharashtra. All the districts in Maharashtra needs to be on needs to be ready for these rains, because we are thinking that the monsoon is going to withdraw, but it's not. It's still very much active. So I can't pinpoint any district because it's all the district in Maharashtra which has to bear this heavy rain possibility. Marathwada, Vidarbha, Pune, Kolhapur, Satara area, and also Thane, Raigad, and Mumbai, and also Palghar. Like I said, all the districts need to be ready for these rains, and this shouldn't come as a surprise. Crop damages are very likely, so precaution needs to be taken for that. Farmers need to be alert. Uh, this is going to delay the withdrawal of the southwest monsoon, and I'm thinking that Maharashtra will see withdrawal only after October 20th. That is my take. So now let us move on to the dynamics. Like I said, because of the supporting factors, the vorticity deposition is very high, and that basically is seen here, which is this vorticity map. If you look at the vorticity, this is the low pressure that was developing. So let me play it again. Yeah, so this is 8th October, 9th October. This is the low pressure, which is now a depression, and it will become a deep depression. And like I said, it is going to track northwest, so it is going to come to Mumbai coast. And so this vorticity is not going to lose its momentum. It is still very much in this red color, which means it is very active. Moisture convergence is going to be there. So this active moisture convergence is going to bring heavy to very heavy rains for all these places, like I already mentioned, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Maharashtra. The MGO support is also very much there. So this is the so whenever the MGO is outside of this inner circle, it means it is very strong, and you can actually see a very strong MGO pulse in the maritime continent, and that's how the system has moved into Bay of Bengal from the maritime continent or South China Sea. And there is a since the MGO support is going to be there for quite a few days to go ahead in time. So as you see, there is the MGO support is going to be there at least till 18th, 19th, even 20th of October. Actually, even 22nd of October, and then only it is going to reduce. So there is a possibility of a back-to-back low pressure system in Bay of Bengal. So we shouldn't be surprised if monsoon extends all the way up till October 22nd or so, because the MGO support is very much there. Finally, this is the GFS run, which is showing the same thing. This is on for 14th. It has crossed the Andhra coast, and it has come to central India, and then later on by 15th it will come to Mumbai. So Mumbai has to brace for some heavy rains around 15th and 16th of October, and maybe moderate to heavy rains for rest of next week. Okay, so this is the synopsis that I wanted to convey, and I hope that I have simplified the dynamics so that it is understandable to all of you. Nevertheless, be ready. Next week is very very interesting. Be ready for some heavy rains, Mumbai and Maharashtra, whole of Maharashtra. And finally, I'm not going to talk about any cyclone formation, because during the withdrawal, it is very hard to figure out whether a cyclone can form or not. So let us just wait and watch. Okay. Okay, all right. Have a good day and subscribe to this channel for regular weather updates if you like it. And I look forward to your support.